Yo,
Yes, boss. Respect.
zoom in. Authentic. When we talk about authentic Jamaican food, soup. What we got in the soup, boss?
Fish.
Fish. What kind of fish?
We have kingfish and bonita, but we boil the head, pick the flesh off and make it.
Mike,
What?
the soup right here. You don't get no better than this, guys.
You don't get no better than this.
Tap in.
Good. Yeah, man. So, like the man say, yo, wickedest soup in the place right now.
Yeah.
Bonita and kingfish, no bone.
Bonita and kingfish taste the same to me.
Yeah, strong up your back, you know. Yeah, man. See the view there. And Lucy with it, you know. You see it? Yeah, man.
Video down. Yeah. Still on go.
See the view there, you know. Yeah, man. You can see straight across the harbor, you see it. Yeah, man. Alright. You see that? Grandpa lay them over there, so. Yeah, man. Man, so the soup nice, you know, man. Wicked. Yeah, man. You already know the vibes already, you know. You see it? Next couple of days, I grave digging and them thing there. You see it? Funeral, wake. I know the occasion already still. You see it? Just there enjoy yourself, see man.
What we got?
How are they, so?
We got
Tid,
we have
bonita, and some
barracuda. Good food.
Yeah, with some rice and peas and tomato and...
Remember, it's Johnny Place in Lucy Bus Park.
Tell them again.
Used to be
Tell them
Johnny-
again.
Lucy Bus Park.
Lucy Hanover, you see it?
Yeah, Lucy
Yeah.
Hanover.
Yeah,
In the
man.
Bus Park.
So if you ever visit Jamaica, forward on a spot when you go and grill.
Make sure I drink a soup first.
Jason's Airbnb.
Yeah.
Go again.
You remember JC Villa?
JC Villa.
Tell them about it.
JC Villa located at 4 locations: New Kingston, Jamaica,
Yeah.
and Montego Bay,
Alright?
Bogue Village, Lucy Harton Garden,
Yeah.
Museum Harton Court.
Yeah.
Place to be.
Place to be.
Card.
You have a business card?
Yes.
Alright, I'm focused it here. Right there, guys.
Yeah.
That's it. You see, JC's Villa.
Yes, 4 numbers there, and address and everything.
Phone number is 876-436-1427. International WhatsApp 929
American, you know.
841-4146.
Yes.
Yo, may I tell you, his Airbnbs are beautiful.
Rent
You
the
know.
cars too.
Rent, hey, matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the car that we got, you know, in a minute. We'll eat the food first. We'll eat first.
For sure.
Look at Lando.
Hey, this food is busting. Listen.
Yo,
Big up Mama Jones it though.
see, yeah, man. Rest in peace, you know? Yeah, man.
Peace. Granny.
Yeah. Ocean front, you know.
But you see the yacht around here. Where the guy going with the boat?
When going with the boat? Hold on there. Yeah. Straight across the harbor, yeah, man. 5-minute drive to Palladium. You see that? Now I'm taking more than 5 minutes. Yeah, man.
Right there.
That's a beast, so they can't show them much. Is it?
Alright, so this is the patio. Welcome to JC Villa.
JC
You
Villa.
already know.
This is the patio, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
This is the kitchen area right here. So you got the TV, the kitchen stove, fridge, there's a couch.
All right. So this is the living room, kitchen here.
Yeah.
All right.
This is the bedroom right here.
Oh,
Yes.
white sheets, you know.
AC,
AC unit.
bedside lamp, just
Bedside lamp.
TV, same way.
Yeah, man. What's that?
Restroom.
And it comes with Wi-Fi, guys.
Yeah, you get Wi-Fi, hot and cold water. Yeah, we know.
See bathroom, man. Sliding shower, you know.
Yeah.
See
We
that?
got a little bit of construction, but business still running.
Business bell, all right.
Yeah.
Look at the vanity right there, guys. That came straight from Africa, that's all. Yeah. Yeah. Listen.
So it's 4 bedroom at this location.
Oh, so this is 4 bedrooms.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's all individual 1 bedroom, and then you can join together by opening this you end up on the other patio.
Okay, so it's like a studio style.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you already know.
Yeah, man. So if you ever visit Jamaica,
Yeah, and the 650 is here for rent too.
oh, it's for rent too.
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
Yes. So
Yeah, man.
650, yeah.
The 650i,
And we have Vaxi Noah Market.
Voxy.
Axio.
All right, that's the what that? Voxy or Noah?
That's a no.
That's a Noah. All right, and guys, may I tell you the deal great. So,
Tell them the code for use.
hey, listen. Yes, if you want a good link, a good discount, just tell them, say, yo, Keegan's Kitchen sent you, or Business Things sent you. All right? Oh.
Yeah.
So this is the outside bathroom, restroom.
This is the outside restroom we used to do, and that's a shower.
Like a half bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay,
that's
okay.
A shower over there.
Okay, okay. So this is the outside shower right here. Yeah, man. So if you want to enjoy the Jamaican, authentic Jamaican vibes, you see outdoor vibes, I hate that. You see it, Jamaican style. You see it. Because I know when you guys come here, when you guys come to Jamaica, you don't want to do American things. You want to do Jamaican things. Yeah, man. So we're going upstairs to the jacuzzi right now, guys.
Yeah.
Lightings.
And if water went out with these extra tank, give you water, we have a pump connected.
Nice.
Jacuzzi ready now. It ain't ready last time.
Jacuzzi ready.
So what about like the hot water heater? You have hot water?
Yeah, we have hot and cold water.
Oh,
internet,
God.
Cable, AC, just name it.
All inclusive or
Personal
don't?
chef. Yeah,
Ooh.
all inclusive.
Okay, okay. Look at the jacuzzi, guys. Look on the jacuzzi. What I say? Brand new, clean.
Oh.
You know, we have a cleaner come through
With the TV
twice a
and
week.
speakers.
What's it? Yeah, man. So, whatever request you have, guys, just link him up and make him know before you arrive, and he'll definitely accommodate you guys.
929-841-4146.
Give them it again.
929-841-4146. That's the international number.
WhatsApp. Or they can call it straight.
Can call straight out. No, WhatsApp only. And
Okay, WhatsApp.
Unless you're overseas.
Yeah, and Jamaican number?
436-1427 or 1876.
All right, JC's Villa.
You already know 4 locations.
All right.
We're located in New Kingston,
And,
the Kensington at the NCB Towers,
yeah.
and one in Bogue Village, Montego Bay, and this one in Lucy.
And you don't just
Garden.
do Airbnb, you do rental cars and them thing the
Also,
same.
and trucking.
Trucking,
business.
so you do delivery, mall haul and them thing there. Everything, jack of all trade, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Link him.
And Keegan is here too. You know,
Hey,
remember
the whole
Keegan?
family there, you know. The whole family there, man.
And
Yo,
It's a good look.
it's a good look, man. We're outside.